Hello guys, today I am going to discuss with you the topic fractions, and this topic will be in paper 2 without calculator, and we have to show all the working steps to get the mark. Before going to solve past paper questions related to fractions, I wanted to discuss with you few important things, like you must have an idea about proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? When you will see the numerator is smaller than the denominator, like 5 is the numerator over denominator is 9. Suppose this is example. When the numerator value, yani the value in the numerator is smaller than the denominator, this is called improper fraction. And what is improper fraction? The opposite of this. Improper Improper fraction, when you will see the numerator value is bigger than the denominator, like 9. The opposite of the above one, we can take 9 over 5. This is called improper fraction. After this, I am going to explain how we can change, how we can convert. Like if you will see improper to mixed number. Okay, we must have an idea about this one. Improper fraction to mixed number. I will give you two examples, like 9 over 5. We will take this example. This one. This is improper fraction and we need to convert this into mixed number. So you have to divide 9 inside and divide it by 5. 5 times 1, 5. What we will get the answer? 4. From where you have to start? Always you have to start from the top and you have to move clockwise. Okay. 1 whole 4 over 5. So this one, this improper fraction, we can write as mixed number 1 whole 4 over 5. Okay. Another example, suppose you have 17, improper fraction 17 over 3. How you will convert into mixed number? Again, as I told you, we have to divide 17 divided by 3. 3 times 5, 15. What we will get the answer? 2. So from where we have to start? Always we have to start from the top and we have to move clockwise. Okay. 5 whole 2 over 3. 5 whole 2 over 3. Hopefully till here guys you understand that how to convert improper from improper to mixed number, how we will convert. After this one, the reverse process also we have to learn from mixed number to improper. From mixed number to improper. Okay, so the reverse process also we have to learn how to convert mixed number to improper. I will give you also two examples. Number one, 7 whole 2 over 3. Suppose we have this mixed number 7 whole 2 over 3 and we need to convert this into mixed improper. So what is the process? The process, first you have to multiply these two numbers. 7 times 3 will give you 21, and that this number you have to add them. This number you have to add in the result. So 21 plus 2, it will be 23. How you will write this one? In the numerator you will write this answer 23 over denominator we will not change. What is the denominator? 3. So you have to write this one. Another example like 11 whole 4 over 5. So what is the process? As I told you, you have to multiply these two numbers. 11 times 5, 55, plus the top one, the numerator value you have to add. So what will be the answer? 59. How you will write here? So we converted mixed number into improper 59 over 5. Why I am saying this is improper? Because we already discussed when the value in the numerator is bigger than the denominator, this is called improper fraction. So we converted mixed number into improper and improper to mixed number. After this, you have to learn how to find out the LCM. After converting mixed number to improper and improper to mixed number, now we have to learn how to find out the LCM. Before going to solve the questions related to fraction, these are the important things we must have an idea. LCM, suppose I will give you 2-3 examples. Like the first example, find the LCM of 4 and 12. We have 2-3 ways, but I am using the table method 4 and 12. You must have to start from table 2. Okay, both numbers or one of them is divisible by 2. Yes, so we will divide by 2. 4 divided by 2, because what is the number here? 4. 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, what is the answer? 2. Now what is the number here? 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. Again we will see that can we divide by 2? Yes. We will continue this process until we will not get 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2, because outside is 2, so we have to divide. 6 divided by 2, 3. Now can we divide by 2? No. Then go to table 3. Step by step you have to move. Now 3, 1 as it. 3 divided by 3, 1. We got both 1, 1, so we will stop. What is the LCM for this? For LCM, you will multiply all these numbers. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. 12 is the LCM of 4 and 12. Another example. Another example is find out the LCM of 24 and 60. Suppose we have to find out the LCM of 24 and 60. So as I told you, you can use another method. You can write the table of 24 and 60 and find out the least common multiple, LCM least common multiple. But I am using this method 24 and 60. Then as I told you, you have to start thinking from where? From table 2. Okay. And then you have to go to table 3, then table 4, then step by step you have to move on. Both number are divisible by 2 because the last digits are even number. So I will divide by 2. 24 divided by 2, 12. 60 divided by 2, I will get 30. Again, we can divide by 2, so 6, and 30 divided by 2, 15. Still we can divide by 2, 3, and 15 as it. Now we cannot divide by 2, so we will go to table 3. In table 3, uh, 3 divided by 3, 1, and 15 divided by 3, 5. Now we can divide by 5, 1 and 1. You will keep continue this process until you will not get 1, both digits 1. So what is the LCM of 24 and 60? As I told you, you have to multiply all these numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Times 3, 24. 24 times 5, 120. So we found the LCM of 24 and 60 and we got 120. Another example related to this one. Find out the LCM of 16 and 48. 16 and 48. So we will use the same method, 16 inside, 16 and 48. We as the last digits are even number, so we can divide by 2. What is the answer we will get? 16 divided by 2, 8. 48 divided by 2, 24. Again we can divide by 2, 4 and 12. Again 2, 2 and 6. Again we can divide by 2, 1 and 3. And then 3, 1 and 1. We have a lot of ways. Some teachers are using different ways and some are using multiple methods, multiplication table they will write, and some teachers will stop here in this process. So I am using this way that I have to make 1 at the last. After this one we can write LCM 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, because 2 came 4 times, and then times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 16. 16 times 3, 48. So LCM we got 48. Directly you can think that I was using the word even numbers. If the last digits are even number, we can divide, or the digit is divisible by 2. What are the even numbers? Even numbers are 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and up to so on. So if you will see, the last digit is even number from the list of even number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. It means that number is divisible by 2. Okay. After this one, okay, after learning the how to find out the LCM, few rules are there. You have to keep it in your mind, because there are 4 operators they can give it to you: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There are 4 operators, 4 operation between the fractions. They will use either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So I will explain everything that before going to start this one. Whatever the operation you will see in the exam between the fractions, the first step is always change mixed number mixed number to improper. Okay, this rule you have to keep it in your mind. Whatever the operation they will give you, either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, whatever the operation they will give you, before going to start solving the question related to fraction, this is the important thing we have. If we will see, is there any mixed number, we have to change mixed number into improper. Okay. Second, if you will see addition or subtraction, okay, if, or we can write for addition or subtraction, for addition and subtraction, we must have to make same denominator. Guys, here you have to keep it in your mind, very important point. Same denominator you have to make only if you will see addition or subtraction between the fraction. Some students are making the same denominator even in multiplication and division. No, when you will see addition and subtraction sign between the two fractions or three fractions, we have to make the same denominator only in this case. Okay, if we will see multiplication, because we already discussed about addition and subtraction, now the third point you have to keep it in your mind. For multiplication, for multiplication, simple rule, just multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with denominator. So for multiplication, the rule is very simple. We will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now the last thing we finished in for addition and subtraction, we will make the same denominator, and to make the same denominator, we learned how to find out the LCM. For multiplication, we very simple rule, just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now let us discuss if the division sign is between them, then what we have to do. These are the four rules or four important points you have to keep it in your mind before going to start solving the past paper questions. The fourth one, if for division, for division we will use the method called KCF. We will use KCF rule. Okay, KCF is what? What is KCF? Let me explain to you. K mean keep as it. K we will keep as it. The first fraction we will keep as it. K stands keep. C change. What we have to change? I will write here division sign to multiplication. Okay, we will change division sign to multiplication, and F flip. The second fraction we have to flip. For example, if you will see 5 over 3 divided by 2 over 7. So what we will use, two fractions are there, and between the two fractions there is a division sign. So whenever we will see division, we will use the method or the rule KCF. K mean keep as it, 5 over 3 as it, keep, change division sign into multiplication, and flip. 7 over 2 over 7 will become 7 over 2. Okay. You have to revise all these rules properly. You have to revise and you have to keep it in your mind before going to start solving the past papers. All these things you have to revise again and again, and also you should do the practice of how to find out the LCM. In the previous pages I explained how to find out the LCM, how to convert mixed number into improper and improper to mixed number. All these things we will use when we will solve the past paper questions. Okay, now let us start solving the past paper questions. Hello guys, now let us start solving the past paper questions. Already look the first statement in the first line they wrote, without using your calculator. As I told you at the beginning that this topic will be in paper 2 without calculator. And in the second line, they already mentioned you must show all your working and give your answer as fraction. This is an important point. You have to read this statement properly, because sometimes they are saying leave your answer or give your answer as mixed number, sometimes as in the form of fraction in its lowest term. So you have to take care about this, otherwise you will lose 1 mark. Before going to start solving, I already explained whenever we will see the mixed number, we have to convert into improper. So what we will write here, what is the method? 2 times 4, 8, and the above, the numerator we have to add. So it will be 9. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9 over 4 minus 11 over 12. This is the first process. This is the first step, as I already explained in the introduction. Whatever the operation you will see, what operation is here? Subtraction. So whatever the operation we will see, before going to start solving, if there is any mixed number, we have to convert it. In the first step we showed. Now for addition and subtraction, I already explained, for addition and subtraction we have to make the same denominator. So what are the numbers here? 4 and 12. LCM is 12. So you have to write the question as it, 9 over 4 minus 11 over 12. What number? Here you have to think what number you will multiply by 4 here. Okay, what number you have to multiply by 4? It will be 12. 3. So 3 here and 3 here. What we will get the answer? 27 over 12 minus 11 over 12. We made the same denominator. After making the same denominator, just add or subtract the numerator. Okay, we will write the denominator as it 12. Just if you will see the subtraction sign, subtract them, subtract the numerators. If you will see addition sign, so add the numerators. 27 minus 11, I will get 16. They said leave your answer in the form of fraction, but in its lowest term. Lowest term means you have to think both numerator and denominator are divisible. Yes, on the same table. We can check by 4. We will divide this by 4, this by 4. So what will be the final answer? 4 over 3. Can we simplify more? 4 over 3? No. And according to the requirement of the question, they said give your answer as fraction. So you need not to convert into mixed number or into decimal, because this is the requirement that you have to leave your answer as fraction. So this is the answer, 4 over 3. You must have to show all these steps. First step, and then made the same denominator, then do the addition, subtraction, and simplified at the last. Then you will be able to get 3 marks. Hopefully guys you understand this one. Do the practice. Question number 2, the statement is the same. Without using a calculator, work out this. And in this question we can see that there is no mixed number, so directly we can solve, but I saw that there is a addition sign is between them. It means we have to make the same denominator. So what is the LCM? LCM of 5 and 6, if you will use the table method, 5 and 6. We have to divide, we have to start from the least number, table 2, 5 as it, and this will be 3, and then 3, 5 as it, 3 divided by 3, 1, and then with 5, so 1 and 1. When you will find out 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 5, 30. So what is the LCM we found? 30. LCM we found 30. After this one, you have to write, after finding the LCM, you will write the question as it, but this fraction little bit long because we have to multiply 1 over 6. Okay. As we found the LCM 30, it means in the denominator we have to make 30. So you have to think properly what number you will multiply by 5. It will be 36. So 6 you have to multiply here and here. What number you will multiply by 6? It will be 35. So 5 here and 5 here. Okay. After this, just multiply and the answer right here. 3 times 6, 18 over 30 plus 5 over 30. We made the same denominator, and I already discussed with you that for addition and subtraction we have to make the same denominator. After making the same denominator, you will write the denominator one time and you will add or subtract the numerator. As addition sign is between them, so we will add 18 plus 5, 23. Now after solving this one, please read this instruction properly. They said as fraction in its simplest form. We cannot divide because 23 is a prime number and 30 is even number. We cannot divide. Both numerator and denominator will not go with the same table. So this is the already simplified form. So we will write 23 over 30. Okay. Hopefully guys you understand. Do the practice. Let us solve question number. Question number 3. The statement is without using a calculator, work out 1 whole 2 over 3 minus 11 over 15. Write down all steps of your working and give your answer as a fraction. Again, we have to give as fraction in its lowest term. As I already told you, whenever the first step is convert this mixed number into improper. Okay, whatever the operation is there, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, this is the first step we have to do. 1 times 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So we have to write here 5 over 3 minus 11 over 15. As the subtraction sign is between the two fractions, so first we have to make the same denominator. To make the same denominator, we have to find out the LCM. Okay. How to find out the LCM? 3 and 15. Both numbers are divisible by directly 3. So 3 times 1, 3, and 15 divided by 3, 5. And then we can divide by 5. We will be able to get 1, 1. So what is the LCM? LCM we found 3 times 5, 15. It means we have to make in the denominator 15. So as I told you, you have to write the question as it with multiplication sign. 11 over 15 multiply. Okay. After this, you have to think properly that what number you will multiply by 3, it will be 15, 5. So also you have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. What number you will multiply by 15? It will be 15. So 1 and 1 if you want to write, okay, otherwise it's okay, it's fine if you will not write with 15. What is the answer? 25 over 15 minus 11 over 15. After making the same denominator, we have to write the denominator one time and we have to add or subtract the numerator. It depends what operation is there. As this is subtraction, so we have to subtract 24 minus 11. I will get 14. And both numbers are not divisible on the same table and we cannot simplify. So as a fraction in its simplest form, so this is the final answer, 14 over 15. Okay. If you will show all these steps, then you will be able to get 3 marks. This LCM is extra step. If you will show, okay, otherwise it's not compulsory to show the LCM process. Hopefully guys you understand. Do the practice. Sometimes you will see like question number 4, A part, they give us 1 mark to convert improper to mixed number, and then we have to solve. So how to convert? I told you we have to divide 11 divide by 3. 3 times 3 we will get 9. After subtracting, what we will get? 2. So I already told you we have to start from the top, 3 whole, and we have to move clockwise, 2 over 3. Okay, so 11 over 3 as mixed number. Okay, 1 mark. So 3 whole, 2 over 3, you will get 1 mark. B part, without using a calculator, work out 1 over 4 plus 1, 5 over 12. Show all your steps. So there is no mixed number. We will write 1 over 4 times n times plus 5 over 12, 5 over 12. In question number 1, the same denominator were there. So already we know that we have to make the LCM 12. So what number you will multiply by 3? It will be 12. Sorry, what number you will multiply by 4? It will be 12, 3 and 3 here. So we will get 3 out of 12 plus 5 over 12. After making the same denominator, we have to add or subtract the numerator. 12, 5 plus 3, 8. And what is the statement here? Give your answer as fraction in its lowest term. Lowest term means simplest form. So both numbers, numerator and denominator, we can divide by 4. This also we can divide by 4. So what we will get? 2 over 3. We cannot simplify more. So this is the final answer, 2 over 3. Hopefully you understand. Question number 5. Without using your calculator, work out 11 over 12 minus bracket 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3. In this question, they give us 3 fractions to solve, but they mentioned properly that first you have to solve the second and third fraction, because these 2 fractions they put inside the bracket. So according to the BODMAS rule, we have to solve the bracket first. And also we can see that there is no mixed number, so directly we can write 11 over 12 we will keep as it, because first we have to solve inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, denominator is 3 and 4. So if you will find out the LCM of 3 and 4, first we will divide by 2, 3 as it, 4 divided by 2, 2. Then again by 2, 3 and 1. Then 3, 1 and 1. So what is the LCM we found? LCM will be equal to 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12. It means inside the bracket we have to make 12 as denominator. So we will write 3 over 4 times n times minus 2 over 3 times n times. Here you have to think what number you will multiply by 4. What number you will multiply by 4? It will be equal to 3. Sorry, it will be equal to the LCM 12, 3. So we have to multiply 3 here and 3 here. What number we will multiply by 3? It will be equal to LCM 12. So 4 and 4. The same method that we used in question number 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Just the difference is here they give us 3 fractions. 12 minus, what is the answer of this one? 9 over 12 minus 8 over 12. We made the same denominator. So now we will subtract, because the subtraction sign is between them. We will just subtract the numerators. So what is the answer now? 11 over 12 minus, what is the answer of the bracket? 9 minus 8, 1 over 12. For the next step, we can see already the denominators are same. So just we have to subtract again the numerator. Why we have to subtract? Because the subtraction sign is between them. What will be the answer? 10 minus 1, sorry, 11 minus 10. What is the answer of the numerator? 11 minus 1, 10 over 12. And read the statement, give your answer as fraction in its simplest form. Simplest form mean we have to check that both numerator and denominator are divisible. Yes, both are divisible by 2. So what will be the final answer? 5 over 6. This question was not hard. Three fractions were there, but check 4 marks. This question came in past paper for 4 marks. Hopefully you understand. Please do the practice, and if you have any confusion or any doubt, you can discuss with me. Question number 6. It is the same like question number 5, but the difference is in this question they did not put the bracket. So it's up to you. We have two ways to solve. You can put the bracket, either the first two fractions, solve these two fractions, get the answer, and then solve with this fraction. Okay, this is one of the way. You can also take the bracket of these two, the same like question number 5. This is question number 6. Okay, you can solve this one and then solve with this fraction, or we have the third method. Directly we can solve. Directly how we can solve? First find out the, because there is no mixed number, so after this first we have to search the mixed number. If there is no mixed number, then we have to make the same denominator because of the addition and subtraction. So we will write here 3, 4 and 8. We will find out the LCM. First I will send by 2, 2 and 4. Again I will divide by 2 because still numbers are divisible by 2. 1 and 2. Again by 2, 3, 1 and 1. Now I can divide by 3, 1, 1 and 1. So what is the LCM? 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3, 24. It means we have to make 24 in the denominator. So first step will be write the question as it, but with multiplication. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 8, multiply, multiply. Then think what number you will multiply by 4. It will be 24, 6. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. What number we will multiply by 3? It will be 24, 8. So here 8 and here 8. What number we will multiply by 8? The answer will be 24, 3. 3 here and 3 here. After this, we will multiply and we will check. 3 times 6, 18 over 24 plus 16 over 24 minus 3 over 24. We made the same denominator. Okay, after making the same denominator, we will add or subtract the numerators. 18 plus 16 minus 3. You can solve the numerator, and then look, this time they changed the statement. They said give your answer as mixed number. Give your answer as mixed number. So first we will solve and we will get the answer. 18 and 16, it will be 34, and then minus 3, 31. We cannot divide with the same table, so let us convert into mixed number. How to convert this into mixed number? 31 inside, and we have to divide by 24. 24 1 times 24, then we have to subtract 31 minus 24, you will get the answer 7. So I told you, you have to start from the top. This is a whole number, so you have to write in the answer space 1 whole. You have to move clockwise, 7 over 24. 1 whole, 7 over 24. This is the final answer. If you will show all these steps, then you will be able to get 4 marks. Hopefully guys, you understand this question. The difference between question number 5 and 6 is only the bracket. If they will put the bracket, it means first you have to solve bracket and then you have to find out the final answer. But if in question number 6, as they did not put the bracket, so there are two ways. I already explained at the beginning. You can put the bracket from your side, or the second method is, as I solved, you can follow this method. Okay. Question number 7, guys. Now there is no addition and subtraction. Already we solved 6 questions related to addition and subtraction. Now this we can see that multiplication operator is between the two fractions. Before going to start, you can see the first one is mixed number. We have to convert this one. You will multiply 2 times 8, 16, plus 5, 21. So we have to write here 21 over 8 times 3 over 7. If you remember, at the beginning of this topic in introduction, I explained for multiplication, we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, or we have another way, cancellation. But first let me explain this one. Just you will multiply this with this and this with this. 21 times 3, 8 times 7. This will be 56 and this will be 63. Then you have to read the statement. They said give your answer as mixed number in its simplest form. So first we will check that can we divide these both, the 63 and 53, can we divide with the same table? Yes, numerator and denominator both we can divide by table 7. This also we can divide by 7 and this also we can divide by 7. So what is the final answer? 9 over 8. And as they said mixed number, so we will write 9 inside and divide by 8, 1, and after subtraction we will get this one. So what is the final answer? 1 whole, 1 over 8. Second method is, you can use this method, or second way is to solve this one. 21 over 8 times 3 over 7. If you are good in table, then you can use this method. Try to check, can we cancel in the numerator or in the denominator? Like 3 and 8, we cannot divide with the same table, but this 7 times 1, 7 times 3, we can solve. Then just multiply this 3 times 3, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what is the answer? 9 over 8, and the same answer you will get. 1 whole, 1 over 8. So use this method or this method, your answer should be the same. This answer you have to write here 1 whole 1 over 8. Hopefully guys you understand how to solve if the multiplication sign is between the two fractions. Question number 8 guys. Without using a calculator, work out 6 over 7 divided by 1 whole 2 over 3. The division sign is there, and most commonly in the past papers you will see the division sign. Before going to start, as I told you, whatever the operator they will give you, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, in any case or in any operator, before solving the question we have to convert mixed number into improper. What is a mixed number here? First fraction we will keep as it 6 over 7 divided by, what is a mixed number? 1 whole 2 over 3. So first we will multiply 1 times 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 over 3. As in the at the beginning of before solving the past paper, I explained properly that if you will see the division sign, we have to use the KCF method. KCF. What is KCF? Keep, change, flip. Keep mean keep the first fraction as it, change multiplication sign, division sign into multiplication, and F mean flip. Keep, change, flip. Flip this fraction you have to flip. So what will be the answer? 3 over 5. After this we convert it into multiplication. Now just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 6 times 3, 7 times 5. What is the answer now? 18 over 35. And check the statement here. Give your answer as fraction. Okay, it means we need not to convert into mixed number. We give the answer in the form of fraction in its lowest term or smallest term. Both numerator and denominator are not divisible by any table. 2, 3, 5, 6. No. So this is the final answer. We have to write in the given space 18 over 35. Hopefully guys you understand this question, division question. Don't forget, in division question we have to use the method KCF. Question number 9. Without using a calculator, work out 4 over 5 divided by 2 whole 2 over 3. Again, division sign is between the two fractions and also there is a mixed number. So first we will convert this mixed number into improper. 4 over 5 as it, divided by, we will convert 2 times 3, 6, plus 2, 8 over 3. After this, division sign is between them. Hopefully guys now you are answering. You know what we have to do. We have to use the KCF method. Because of the division, we have to use KCF method. Keep, change and flip. 3 over 8. Now we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. This is one of the way, or you can cancel out, like we can see 4 times 1 and 4 times 2 we can cancel. What left? That you have to multiply 1 times 3, 5 times 2. The final answer is 3 over 10. And read the statement, this one. Give your answer as fraction in its simplest form. So already we converted in simplest form because 3 and 10 are not divisible by any table. So this is the final answer, 3 over 10. Hopefully guys you understand. And if you don't want to do the cancellation, the same process, if you don't want to do the cancellation, you can multiply 4 times 3 over 5 times 8, then 12 over 40, and then you have to think both numbers are divisible by what table. We can divide by 4, and also this one we can divide by 4. So the final answer will be the same, 3 over 10. Okay, do the practice, and if you have any confusion, you can discuss with me. Question number 10, again the division, and they said without using a calculator work out 1 whole 4 over 5 divided by 3 over 5. This time we can see that they give the mixed number here. So first we need to convert mixed number into improper. 1 times 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So we will write here 9 over 5 divided by 3 over 7. After this, as division sign is there, so we need to use the KCF method, keep, change and flip. 7 over 3. Now again we have two methods here. Directly you can multiply 9 times 7 over 5 times 3. You will get the answer 63 over 15. And then you have to read the statement here in which form they need the answer as a fraction in its lowest term. So both numbers, numerator and denominator, are divisible by 3. So you can write here to show the examiner that you are going to divide by 3 and this divide by 3. What is the final answer? 21 over 5. We cannot simplify more, so this is the final answer, 21 over 5. And if you want another way after converting, after using KCF, if you want another way, if you want to cancel out, like here, from here, okay, 9 over 5 times 7 over 3, we can cancel 9 and 3. So 3 times 1, 3 times 3. What left? That you have to multiply 3 times 7 over 5 times 1. That's it. 21 over 5. It's up to you, whatever the way you are feeling comfortable or whatever the way you like, you can use that method. Okay, directly you can use this method, or if you are good in cancellation, you can cancel the numerator and denominator up, down or cross directly, and then you can get the answer. Hopefully guys you understand the topic fraction properly, and as I told you, this topic is coming in paper 2 without calculator. And from the statement from question number 1 to 10, already they told us without using calculator. In all the questions they wrote very clearly, whatever we solved all operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we solved all type of operations, but the common thing we saw this statement without using calculator. So you have to do the practice without calculator. Okay, try to do the practice. If you have any confusion or any doubt, you can discuss with me. Take care. Bye.